Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have seen the introduction of Turing machine. Now in this lecture, we will discuss how to design the Turing machine. So let us start with a very basic example of Turing machine which accepts the language A, B star A. So given language L is A, B star A. Meaning of this language is very simple. First character is always A, then after B star, that means 0 or more occurrence of B, and then after last character is always A. So A followed by 0 or more B followed by small a. Let us see some string accepting in given language L are A. First character is A, no occurrence from B star, and last character is A. Same way A, first character A, one occurrence from B star and last character is A. A 2 times B A 3 times B A. Now question is how to design Turing machine which accepts such a string. So first we will discuss the logic to implement the Turing machine and then we will design the Turing machine. As we know, our first character is always A. So we will read the A and replace small a by capital A. Now next is B star. B star, that means 0 or more occurrences of B. So read all the B one by one and replace it with capital B. If no B is there into the string, then you have to skip the step number 2. Now again, last character is always A. So read A and replace small a by capital A. Logic is very simple. First character is A. So replace small a by capital A. If any small b are there, then replace small b with the capital B and in last replace small a by capital A. Now let us see some examples. On the tab we have string ABA. As we know, tab is infinite sequence of cell. There can be infinite blank symbol onto the left or onto the right end of the tab. Now tab head is over here and it represents the blank symbol. So no need to process the blank symbol because it is not part of the string. So just move to the right direction. Now in right direction we have small a. So as per our logic, read A onto the tab and replace A by capital A. So replace A by capital A. Now we have small b. So read B onto the tab and replace it with capital B. Again move to the right direction. And in last step, read A and replace small a by capital A. Again move to the right direction. Now tab head is onto the delta and delta is not part of input string, so no need to process the delta. Let us take another example. A is replaced by capital A, B is replaced by capital B, B is replaced by capital B and A is replaced by capital A. Now if we have no B in our string, we have to skip step number 2. So read A onto the tab, replace A by A, skip step number 2 and in last read A onto the tab and replace A by capital A. I hope logic is clear. It is very simple. Now let's convert this logic into the diagram format. Our tab head is onto the delta, so no need to replace it. Just shift tab head to the right direction. So we can read our input string. Now from state Q0 to state Q1, just read delta onto the tape, replace delta by delta and move to the right direction. Now our next character is small a. So as per our logic, A will be replaced by capital A. So from state Q1 to Q2, small a is replaced by capital A and move to the right direction. A is replaced by capital A and move to the right direction. Now it's time to implement B star. As we know very well that to represent 0 or more occurrence of B, we can use loop. So using loop, we can process 0 or more B. So B is replaced with capital B and move to the right direction. And if we move to the right direction, our tape head is on A. So as per our logic, A is replaced with capital A and move to the right direction. Replace our last A with capital A and move to the right direction. Now it's a delta. So no need to do anything. Delta is replaced with delta and no need to move anywhere. Now this is very simple Turing machine which accepts only and only string belongs to the language A, B star A. Every valid string will be accepted in HA state. Here HA is halt and accept state. Now what happens if our first character is B? Obviously this type of string should be rejected by Turing machine. So if our first character is B, it should be rejected by Turing machine and transition will goes to the HR state. Same way after completion of the language A, B star A, no character would be allowed on state Q3. So from state Q3, A and B will goes to the HR state. Here these two transitions are optional transition. This diagram is called the control portion. So combine both this control portion and tape makes a complete Turing machine.